Okay, this is gonna be part 2 because my camera messed up somehow. So I calculated the averages, and the average, or our total, combining our 3 tests was 43, and then we divide that by 3, and that gave us 14.3. So that is our average when it says calculations. So we're gonna write down the calculations of the number of droplets equaling 43. 43 divided by 3 is 14.3. So averaged 14.3 drops. So that is test 1, and then draw a side view picture. So it got really big. It created like a very big dome shape before it kind of catapulted. And then, so that is part 1 of our lab. Part 2 is we have to change a variable in the test. So what I thought was adding soap, because soap creates bubbles, and that might give it more room to expand on the penny if the bubble is holding it. So we are going to do that. So part 1 is done. I have my hypothesis, my data, and my calculations. And then part 2 is on your assignment sheet, you're going to tell me the variable you added to change it. So we're adding soap. And then, so we're going to put variable change. We're going to put soapy water. How does soapy water affect the number of droplets that fit on the penny? I'm going to guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. I'm going to guess 15. And then you're going to put your hypothesis. I think 15 droplets or drops will fit on 1 penny with our change, with soapy water. Period. And then controlled variables. What will you keep the same in your experiment? So then we're going to repeat the procedure from part 1 using the change variable instead of water. My change variable is soapy water. And I'm going to put the type of soap too, because that could also change. I'm going to put Dawn dish soap, because some soaps might be different, so it's good to put the exact name for it, I think. Then we're going to test those 3 with the soapy water, and then the average. And then we're going to put the average number, right, average number of drops from part 1. That was 14.3, so we can put that there. Then we're going to do the test, the averages, and then the conclusion. And the conclusion part is how did your changing variable affect the number of drops that fit on the penny? That we will see at the end. So I'm going to pause here. Hopefully my camera will not mess up.